from the brook. The dick got slipping. And I can't wait to fuck the ground. The one I said, and now they got me burning from the hood.
All right, man, what's your name?
Shane Chandler.
What's up, man? Hey, what you got in this thing, man?
So I've got 6 SoundCube HDX 415s on 6 of our Q1 6000s. I've got, for power, I've got my 2 Limitless G50s, 1 G80, 3 Braindex 320 alts. I'm running 2 of our Q4 150 AB amplifiers for mids and highs on the doors. I've got 2 QPH 25s, 2 QP MR6 maps, and 1 QP MR8 per door. And it's the current world record holder for the Street Beat 3 in USAC.
You built this all yourself? First time building something this big?
Yes. I built this after making an error, getting disqualified. I was like, okay. So the end result was a full steel cage, 3 to 1/4. The design was done by Flatline Designs. I built it, and it was a labor of love.
Can I hear it or what?
Yeah, most definitely. Go jump in. My girl will be happy to give you a demo.
Oh, your girl's gonna give me the demo, all right?
She loves me.
All right. You gonna give me a demo? All right. Let me see what you got in here.
Inside the enclosure, it took me about a month to get it the way I wanted it to look. Running 1.6K per sub.
Making better beats, wetter seeds. I want a team.
Thank you for the demo.
You're welcome.
Love that song choice, for real.